Excuse me, lady. It was just a little tornado. Nothing will happen. Holy fuck.
A little far away, but I got it.
Alright. I have to get on the fucking highway.